council members that the mayor has fired Bridgett Brown. Can I finish? But the issue I'm saying here is that the mayor does not have the authority through the city attorney to fire anyone. The city council, just as Congress and any other division of government, has its own authority to hire its own attorney. And as such, the mayor cannot, should not have even sent a letter to that extent, even if it was through the city attorney. The facts of this case, and it appears that it's something that we can work out, but I'm asking this council to re-evaluate that issue, particularly based on the fact that the facts in this case deal with your mayor previously represented the plaintiffs in this case. That's a serious conflict from a legal perspective. For the mayor to come in now and to terminate one of the lawyers who involved in the case, to me, presents a serious problem. And I only say, with my minute and a half or 2 minutes left, that you as a council have the authority to keep whoever you choose to have as an attorney. And there was a case of a Mr. Chris Roy, who was the mayor of the city quite some time ago. The same facts were presented and went to the Supreme Court, and they said that the mayor does not have the authority to do it. Here, the mayor tries to distinguish the Roy case from this present case based on the fact that there's no dilemma between the council and the mayor. I respectfully disagree. The fact that you have a mayor that was involved and represented the plaintiff, he should build a Chinese wall around himself. I know the mayor is an honorable man, but I'm only telling you that you as the council should not allow your power to be usurped. You have the power to determine who you want as your council. You have plaintiffs here who under the whistleblowing statute, came in and talked about Clico. I say to you that if two guys rob a bank and we don't catch them or you don't catch them, 20 years down the road, they'll tell you, look, I'll tell you what the money is if you let me have half. It's a serious problem, that folks. So making no allegation, I'm only telling you that you must deal with your own authority, and you have the right to hire whoever you choose. And I believe that a letter from the mayor should be addressed by this council because they have no authority to terminate anybody. For that, I entertain any questions, and thank you for your time.
Just so the council knows, I've never represented the plaintiffs in the case. That statement is completely untrue, and it's material to the application of the Roy v. Humphreys matter. I've never represented a party in this case. That's a matter of public record.
And members of the council, if I could respond to what Mr. Clayton said also. Mr. Clayton is right when he says that the issue of council needs to be determined in this case, and what I would invite y'all to do, since you have the authority as the city council, is to decide today to let the federal court decide whether Ms. Brown can be counsel in this case. I can't file that motion myself. I have to seek permission from you. I invite all of you to take that up right now with unanimous consent. Give me permission to file that motion, and we'll let Judge Drell decide if she can stay in the case or not. I believe under the charter I have absolute authority to decide who all the lawyers are who work for the city, and all of them are subject to my supervision. Ms. Brown has never been counsel for the city council. Her contract is with the city of Alexandria. You are not her client. This is her client, the city of Alexandria. But the easiest way to decide this issue is to just let Judge Drell decide.
Mr. Larry English. Is he here? Is he here? Robert C. Tanner.
How y'all doing? I'm Robert C. Tanner. I'm sorry I had to come in my shorts and everything. It's either get spiffed up for y'all or mow my grass, and you can see which one went out. Look, I don't want to get in a whole lot of stuff. You know, I had some words with a couple of people last time because I felt certain ways, and you know, I heard that maybe a couple of y'all were kind of didn't like me, or maybe y'all were scared I was going to do something. Let me go ahead and tell you, only prayers I got going out to y'all is that y'all be greatly blessed. All right, so I have nothing. If I come up here and I'm a little passionate about what I believe in, well, that's just the Creole in me, and I can't help it. So one thing I want to discuss with y'all, Red, I have a problem. I have a problem. I want to verbalize it. One of it is the fact that y'all are saying that y'all passed a, let me see, I'll find the news in here, that y'all passed some type of deal that y'all are going to be able to remove the boats. Let's see right here. First of all, y'all had the authority to turn off electricity. I don't understand why y'all had to pass another resolution in order to move the sunken boats, the swamped boats. Number two is, I came up here